This 2022 Coachmen Clipper 162 RBU is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll immediately see your control panel, where you'll find switches for your lights, awning, and tank levels. Moving on, you'll find your U-shaped dinette, which is also where you'll find your 54 by 74 inch Murphy bed. In front of this is your entertainment center with a shelf for a TV and a multimedia head unit below that. On the ceiling, you'll notice a Coleman Mach air conditioner. In your kitchen, you'll see a sink, a 2-burner gas cooktop with a range hood, a convection microwave, and a fridge. In the back of the trailer, you have a large bathroom. Outside, make a note of your external speakers. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.